Alright, what is going on, you guys? So today we are doing another garage install for the Toyota 86. I did get something new for the exterior. This is not the part that we are waiting for. Unfortunately, we have a 3 to 4 week lead time for that part. I ordered it about 2 weeks ago, so give or take probably another two to 3 weeks to be safe. But nonetheless, I did get another mod, which I didn't think I'd be getting. I didn't plan on getting this, but it was on sale, and not only that, I have been eyeballing this part for quite some time. So before I show you guys what is inside the box right here, it is an OLM part, and I did back it in right here. So obviously I'm gonna give you guys the hint that it is something for the rear of the car. But yeah, I want to see what you guys think it may be. But before we do that, you guys already know I gotta put you on game with another car. This one, I drank this one in Gatlinburg, and I finally found it in my local Target. So you go ahead and flip this around. So we got this this draft latte, cold brew with milk. It is fire, to say the least. But let's go ahead and get a crispy little. Oh man, this is gonna be delicious. Whew. So yeah, this is a little like cold brew milk thing. I know I put you guys on a lot of drinks, and mostly it's coffee, but you know, it is what it is. But it is very good. Try it if you can find it. Like I said, I did find this at a Buc-ee's when I was in Tennessee, and it was pretty good. It kept me awake until we got there. So fire. Anyways, let's go ahead and get you guys up on the tripod. This thing comes in clutch as well. I have been using it non-stop recently, but it does come in clutch. It's really like convenient, and it was cheap. I think I paid like 10 or 15 bucks. But yeah, anyways, enough yapping. Let's go ahead and get this box open. So I'm gonna get you guys up on there, and let's go ahead and get into today's video. Alright guys, so I got you guys set up on the tripod. I have the box right here, so let's go ahead and start cutting this thing open. I am super excited, to say the least, on what is inside this box. Also, huge shout out to Subi Speed. This isn't like a paid promotion at all, but they have a really good turnaround time. I ordered this on a Monday, and it showed up yesterday, which is Thursday. So yeah, super good turnaround time. The only issue I had was with UPS. Holy crap, it's a box inside a box. So the box is, oh man, yo, oh, this is sick. Yo, did they give me any stickers? Damn. Alright, so no stickers. Let's go ahead and yeet this out of the way. Yo. Yo. Oh man, I want to show you guys so bad, bro. Dude, I want to give you guys a sneak peek real quick. Alright, you ready? Ready? Ooh. Yo, I think I have an obsession with carbon fiber, but yo. Dang, this is clean. I want to show you guys what's inside of it, but like, yo, oh my god, yo, I'm like geeking right now. Hopefully this looks good on my car. I think it will. Yo, oh my god. All right, right before I pull this out of the box, I need you guys to guess what it is, because this is the last clue. Oh man. Yo, that is freaking sick, bro. There is this like white stuff I do have to like clean off. There's like this like white I don't know what this is, like adhesive or something. But yeah, there's this like white stuff, but they also have, here, let me flip it around. They have like the Toyota stuff on the back as well. Yo, look at this, guys. This is freaking sick, bro. Oh, this is gonna look so good. And it came with like drill holes, but we are not drilling in So yeah, I'm not drilling into this, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab you guys some cool cinematics of this part, or an up close look. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and clean off the back window. So if you guys haven't guessed it already, this is a roof carbon fiber spoiler. I did not think I'd be getting this. I did want one, but it just didn't seem right at the time, because I had no carbon fiber whatsoever on my car, and now I have like a bunch of it. I have it from front all the way to the back, so it just seemed like I was missing one more tasteful exterior mod. So yeah, I'm super excited on how this turned out. Like, look how glossy that is, guys. Like, look at that. Dude, it looks crazy. It looks absolutely insane. I'm hyped as hell for this. So yeah, let me go ahead and clean off the back window and apply this 3M. Trying to figure out honestly which way this goes. Not too sure. But yeah, guys, this is the carbon fiber roof spoiler. Alright guys, so I got you propped up here. We're gonna go ahead and start cleaning off this windshield and go ahead and get this roof spoiler installed. Alrighty, you guys, so I got everything 3M'd, as you guys can see. It is super windy, so please excuse all of the wind noise. Yeah, anyways, I went ahead and used my own 3M. I did not use the one that came in the kit, and I've used this actually on my side skirts and these fender garnishes right here, and they do not pull off. These have been on there for a year, and that has been on there for, I want to say, 3 years. So yeah, it's held up really, really well. I've had no issues with this 3M. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing mounted up onto the car. Alright, what is going on, you guys? So it is the next day. I got the roof spoiler on. Unfortunately, I was not able to record. I did have you guys up on the tripod, and it was super windy, so you guys weren't able to hear me at all. But I am currently at this disclosed location getting the thumbnail and finishing out this vlog. I didn't want to leave you guys without seeing the final product or not giving you guys a proper outro. I hate leaving you guys on a cliffhanger and not giving you anything. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the camera around and show you guys what the roof spoiler looks like, and let me know what you guys think. Alright guys, so this is the carbon fiber roof spoiler. I didn't know if I would like it as much as I did. I was a little hesitant with it, not gonna lie. I didn't think I would like it. I didn't like it when it first got put on the car, but yeah, it looks absolutely amazing. I love how everything flows from front to back and back to front. It looks absolutely amazing. Let me know what you guys think. This is kind of a further back picture. It's not super, like, I don't know how to describe it. Some roof spoilers like kick up more. This one doesn't kick up as much, but maybe in the future I'll change it out for something more aggressive. But for now, I absolutely love the end result. It looks absolutely amazing for the most part. Like I said, I try to record for you guys, but yeah, it just was not happening. There was so much noise, there was so much wind, there was just so much commotion going on in the neighborhood yesterday, so I was getting frustrated and really, really aggravated because I wanted to knock it out all in one day, which I like to do with a lot of my videos. I hate taking 2 or more days to create one video, but that's just the way that things happen sometimes, you know. You can't always get what you want, and I'm just happy to deliver you guys the end result and see what you guys think. But yeah, the only issue that I had when I was putting it on by myself, might I add, is there was like a bigger gap on this side. I think it's on this side right here. Hold on. Yeah, there was like a way bigger gap right here. But off camera, I went ahead and took it off a couple times and kind of readjusted by myself. So the one thing I can recommend for you guys, if you are going to install this part, have 2 people with you. It goes a lot smoother. One can hold one end and you hold the other, and then you can slide it on there easier. I also goofed and put the 3M on the back side of it, but I mean, I think that was a better option, to be honest, because I kind of put it towards over here and a little bit right here, so I think it should be enough. I didn't use the 3M that they gave me. I think I mentioned that in the video, I can't remember, but I used my own 3M. If you go to your local auto parts store, it should be in like a black, and like it has like a purple packaging or wording on top. That one is what is holding on my side skirts, and also this piece right here. Some of the clips are holding this in, but a lot of them wouldn't line up like right here, so 3M is throughout there, and that is the same 3M that I used on that part right there on my car. And I also used it on, if you guys remember, it was my first video, I had a carbon duckbill on my OEM trunk that also held that in as well. So yeah, all in all, I'm really happy with the product. I'm gonna give you guys one last look at it. Yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you could, please drop a like, a comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.